Alright, so I'm going to be shaving down the some of the ribbing. So I already made a couple pieces, but inside here there's a large crack. It goes all the way down to the opposite side. You can see this crease in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to shave down some of these gussets and then reinforce it with epoxy. So I have one that I made right here. There's just some scrap aluminum I had laying around. So I'll put this one up here. I made one for the back already. And so I'll make one more for the center section right here. And what I did was use some wire just to kind of get a rough idea of how long this piece is going to be. And I'll put it in this one. There, kind of measure it out roughly where the piece is going to need to be cut, and then I'll go over and cut this real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, got our piece cut for the center rib, so now I just need to get a marker, Sharpie, kind of measure out where I need to put the bins. Pretty sure there's an easier way to do this. Maybe if I use this. I kind of just want to center it. Again, this is going to be underneath, so it doesn't have to be exact. Again, this is just some aluminum I had left over, just sitting around. So, turn this around. See this. So, I have a little lift right here that I'm gonna just use it to bend. But you know, just find anything. I got a weight bench over there. If you got a weight bench, use the bar on that. But this is what I got. So just use whatever you got to get the bend you need. So I'll just put it on here. Try to keep my hands close to the center. And then do the same thing on the opposite side. Alright, turn this back around. See if it fits in this ribbing. Nope, I need to bow it in a little bit more. So, this thing has a swivel. Swivel it back. Bend down some more. That looks like it's going to be pretty perfect. So, again, I got my 3 pieces made up. And all I got to do is shave down the center. Which, I bought these sanding drums from Harbor Freight. I don't know how long ago, but try them out, put one on and grind it down. So what I'll do before I start grinding them down, I'm gonna see if I can clip some of this plastic off, so it's just less work for me to grind. And I wear glasses. If I was you guys, shit almost cut my face. So we got the JB Weld plastic bond. We'll mix them up. Probably use half of it. Let's put the top back on. Top back on to reuse it later. Mix it up. Mix it. That mixed up pretty good. Don't see any streaks. Push that down in there. See if this will go in there deep enough to clamp it. Alright, so that's the first one. We'll see how it works. Come back and check it out. And this is the finished product. So, got 3 braces in there. This one I drilled a couple more holes just because it's kind of towards the back. And figured it'd give a little bit more support. Didn't do any on that one. Figured it didn't need any. And then that one, just a couple holes, but yeah, it feels a lot solid, more sturdy. Don't have to worry about it flexing. It doesn't do that, so once we get the screws in to kind of hold it in place, it'll all be nice and sturdy and it won't cave in if I was to put my elbow on it. So yeah, happy with it. I've done this before in my Z with the lid. The inside of the lid, it's small and it gets cracked as well. So if you go on the inside, you can shave the inside, put a little flat sheet. Since it's not curved, it's just a little lid. Put that piece in and then it'll hold its shape. It won't cave in on you. So that is it. We'll see what else we got going on with the interior, but long ways to go. Did order up some parts, so we got one trim piece in. I want to say this is the right side for the hatch. So the hatch trim piece on that side. Oh, nope, that's the left side. So I got the left side. I got a washer reservoir because I didn't have one. And then I think it's the other side. But yeah, ordered up someone had these trim pieces. One was red, one was tan. They told me it was a left and right, but they ended up both being right side. So you can see there's an R right there. So I'm still looking for a left side. So looking for a left side on the interior. I think I'm missing some of the switches for the center console. So I'm missing all these switches and the coin holder or ashtray. I'm not sure what goes there, but I'm missing that piece as well. So I'll figure out what to put. I'm pretty sure someone makes some blanks, some 3D printed blanks. So I'll get some blanks, put them in there. Try to figure out how to utilize these spots. I don't think I need any of these other items because I'm pretty sure that all goes with the factory computer. I think one's like the temperature of the cat, if it's getting too hot or exhaust. Won't be needing any of that. So I'll try to fill those holes with stuff that I need, or see if I can just find one that has all the stuff deleted, or maybe I'll take it to a shop and have them fix it up, fill in these holes, and then put in there. I think this is in pretty good shape. It's missing one standoff there, missing one there, so we'll see. But yeah, that's it for most of the interior. I do have the weather strips that go on here and around. I am missing the rubber weather strip that goes in the door jamb on this side. I have the door cards. They're up there. In focus. So I bought a tan set initially, and then someone said they were selling a black set, so I got them shipped. And their black set was a set that was painted black, and they were tan, so now I have two sets of door cards. But I'll piece it all together, make one good set, and then get rid of the other set. If I end up, keeping this car, I'll end up probably doing just ripping off all the old interior, take it to my upholstery guy, and having him just redo it, maybe in suede or something. I'm not sure, Alcantara, but definitely not leather. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at with this build.